you're experiencing server timeout issues with your Steam Deck, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these simple steps to get back to gaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by testing other devices on the same network or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 4. Verify Steam server status. Visit the Steam status page online to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the problem persists, try adjusting your network settings. Go to Settings, select Network, and consider switching between Wi-Fi and Ethernet or changing DNS settings to see if it improves connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Happy gaming!